If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in FIFA 24, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Restart your game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that may cause matchmaking errors. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or their social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Reset your internet connection. Disconnect your internet connection and then reconnect it. You can also try restarting your router to refresh your network settings, which may help resolve connectivity issues. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.84.4. This can improve your connection to the game servers and potentially fix matchmaking errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.